Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to enable or disable row and column level subtotals for a matrix visual in Power BI. So what I've done is I've got a file I'll be using for demo, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to this file in the video notes, so you can download the file from GitHub and do the tutorial along with me. Let's start. So I'm just going to click on the matrix visual to enable that, and I'm going to put it into focus mode. And then I'm just going to grab the year, so I'm going to use the calendar year as one of the on the rows, and I'm going to use the English country region name on the columns, and I'm just going to grab the sales amount. So I'll just click on the sales amount, and you can see that it's giving me the matrix visual now, but it's also giving the totals, the row levels and the column level totals. And let's say I want to disable them, or some of you guys might want to enable them in case they're disabled. So how do you do that? So you go to the formatting tab with the visual selected. So you've got to make sure that the visual is selected, and you go to the formatting tab, and then you need to scroll to the subtotals, which is this one. And so you've got you've got row totals and you've got column subtotals. So if I disable that, and then I can also disable column subtotals, so the subtotals are now no longer visible. Similarly, I can enable them back as well. So in this video, we learned how to enable or disable subtotals for a matrix visual in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.